The Extraordinary Rendition Programme is run primarily by CIA, but they operate hand in hand with foreign intelligence agencies, and they also, as we have uncovered, operate with the assistance of certain US-based corporations which own and operate the aircraft. The CIA operates in a black hole. We've only sued one defendant, and that defendant is Jeppesen Dataplane. And Jeppesen Dataplane are a wholly owned subsidiary of the Boeing Aerospace Company. In this lawsuit, we allege that over a 4-year period, Jeppesen actively participated in the rendition program by supplying flight and logistical services to a total of 15 aircraft which were used by the CIA in the Extraordinary Rendition Program.
We filed this lawsuit against Jeppesen because we felt it was important to hold the corporation accountable for its complicity in the rendition and torture programs of the US government.
I think the notion of state secrets relating to our cases is a big lie.
Visher Al-Rawi is a plaintiff in the ACLU's case against Jeppesen. He was rendered, tortured and held without charge for 4 years.
What has happened to us is all in the public domain. So for them to claim that it is state secret, that our cases can't go to court, I think that's simply lying to the American people and deceiving them into believing that there is something when there isn't anything.
Binyam Mohammed is an Ethiopian citizen who has legal residence in the United Kingdom. He was rendered on 2 occasions, and on those 2 occasions the CIA rendered him using the services of Jeppesen Dataplane. So Jeppesen Dataplane, what they did was arrange flight and logistical services to pick Mohammed up in Pakistan and then fly him to a detention facility in Morocco.
Here I have a diary of Binyam, and I'm going to read from his diary for you. They cut off my clothes with some kind of doctor's scalpel. I was totally naked. They took the scalpel to my right chest. It was only a small cut, maybe an inch. At first, I just screamed.
They beat them up, they strip them of their clothes, they humiliate them, they take photographs of them, they then sedate them and then chain them into the seat of an aircraft and fly them to their end destination point. And that destination point could be a US-run secret black site facility, or it could be to the custody of foreign intelligence agencies in countries such as Syria, Egypt or Jordan, where the whole world knows torture is routine.
If the US thinks somebody is a criminal, that's fine. Take him to court and let him have his day in court. And that really is either you release people or give them justice, true justice, with no deception, no lies.